Hi guys, welcome to TechTalks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about what is Threads on Instagram app. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Threads, the new social media platform, was recently released last June 2023, where this actually has a potential to emerge as a strong competitor to Twitter due to its similar text-based functionalities. The similarity in features positions Threads as a viable rival to Twitter. To know more about Threads, you can start going to your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Threads on Instagram. And then here you'll be able to see different images on how the application would look like. And all you have to do is simply click on install. Once installed, you definitely just click on open, and then you will be routed into your account here, which is directly connected into your Instagram account. So the post that you will have here will not be posted on your Instagram account, but rather your account that you used for Instagram is what you can use to log in here with Threads. Here you'll be able to see the different thoughts of the different users for Threads, and you can see that it has various images, videos, and also text as well. But mostly these are based on text, and you can see that there is an options here where you can like, comment, repost, or send the threads that were posted into direct message. So here you can see that there's an icon at the middle. That's where you can create a new thread, the one with a pen and paper. You can just simply type in hello, you can attach the files, and then you will be able to see here that just type in or click on the add thread, and then it automatically routes you to the next thread here for this platform. You can now go to the heart icon at the bottom of the screen, and that is where you'll be able to see the activities that you've done here with this platform, the request, the replies, and the mentions from other followers or the persons you're following that has mentioned you in their post. Here, when you go to your profile on the lower right corner of the screen, you will be able to see the post that you have on your threads, and you'll be able to see the different replies as well on your post. So going back to the homepage right here, let's say if you want to view a specific thread that was posted, you can simply like that, and then you can click on the comment icon, and then you have that option to reply to that specific thread. You have the option to repost or quote, or you can DM the or send the specific post to direct message as well. So there's a lot of informations you can hear, and as you can see, most of the informations or the likes or the followers are mostly based from your Instagram account. It has similar icons or similar datas as what you can use with your Instagram as well. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to use threads on Instagram. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.